Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let's explore the weather vocabulary used in Finland. Finnish weather can be quite unique and there are a lot of interesting words and phrases to describe it. Throughout this video, we will go through the most common weather vocabulary and talk about how Finns describe different temperatures. So let's dive into some keywords and expressions. Weather vocabulary. Sääsanasto. Lämpötila, temperature. Kylmä, cold. Kuuma, hot. Lämmin, warm. Viileä, cool. Aurinkoinen, sunny. Pilvinen, cloudy. Puolipilvinen, partly cloudy. Sateinen, rainy. Tuulinen, windy. Luminen, snowy. Sumuinen, foggy. Ukkonen, thunderstorm. Myrskyinen, storm. Ilmasto, climate. Sataa vettä, it rains. Sataa lunta, it snows. Sataa räntä, it rains wet snow. Salama, lightning. Now let's look into common weather terms. On pilvistä, it means it's cloudy. This is the phrase you will hear often, especially when the skies are covered with clouds. Pilvi means cloud and on pilvistä literally means it is cloudy. On sateista, it's rainy. Finland is known for having a lot of rain, especially in the fall and early spring. Sade means rain, so on sateista tells you it's raining. On tuulista, it means it's windy. Tuulista comes from the word tuuli, which means wind. Puolipilvistä means partly cloudy. Puoli means half and pilvistä comes from pilvi, which means cloud. So puolipilvistä describes weather condition where the sky is half covered with the clouds. On aurinkoista, it's sunny. When the sun is shining brightly, you can say on aurinkoista. Aurinko means sun. So this phrase is perfect for those sunny days in Finland, especially during the summer. On sumuista means it's foggy. Sumuista comes from the word sumu, which means fog. In Finland, temperatures can vary a lot throughout the seasons. In winter, it can be really cold, but in the summer, temperatures can even reach plus 20 degrees centigrade or higher. We will go through how Finns describe different temperatures. Temperature in Finnish. Lämpötila Suomessa. Plus 30 astetta. On todella kuuma. It's really hot. Plus 20 astetta. On lämmin. Means it's warm. Plus 10 astetta. On viileä. It's cool. 0 astetta. On kylmä. It's cold. -10 astetta. On pakkasta. It's freezing. Now, let's see how to ask questions about weather condition. Millainen sää on? Sää on aurinkoinen ja lämmin. The weather is sunny and warm. Or you can say, sää on pilvistä. The weather is cloudy. Mikä on lämpötila? What is the temperature? Lämpötila on 10 astetta. The temperature is 10 degrees. Or you can say lämpötila on -5 astetta. Onko tänään aurinkoista? Is it sunny today? Kyllä. Tänään paistaa aurinko. Yes, the sun is shining today. Sataako tänään? Is it raining today? Kyllä. Tänään sataa vettä. Yes, it's raining today. Or ei. Tänään ei saada. No, it doesn't rain today. If you're enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.